welcome back to Skewers and Crafts. Today we have a very special guest joining us, and his name is Michael. You remember him from the piggy bank video?
Yeah.
The rotten milk, aka school glue. We are making a windmill. It's a bit wonky, but we'll make him better when we make it with you guys. And it's supposed to go up. Oh, okay, it just fell apart. Now let's show you how to make it. Let's get started. We'll need straws, hot glue gun, Play-Doh, markers, scissors, and cups. Big and little, or just the big one. Now let's start.
Or just the little one.
Actually, this time.
So first, you are going to go to the top and then make a dot with a marker. And then go under it and then make another one.
And then do the sides.
Do the sides. And then you're going to put a dot in between
Each like gap.
gap.
So there'll be 8 like parts that you're gonna cut. And then
You cut it.
with your scissors, not all the way to the back, but almost all the way. So now, when you're done that, you're going to bend the edges out.
And about
So next, we're gonna trim it and make it a Isla. What are you doing? Come on, what are you doing?
Right, we're gonna trim it, and those are my scissors.
Oh. Okay, so we're gonna trim it and make it a curve. Next, we're gonna color it in and decorate it. Okay, now that we're done, we're going to use the small cup and do the same thing. Cut it, trim the edges, and then color it. So we're going to fast forward this, of course, because you already know what to do. That's my scissors. Okay, we forgot to mention we need barbecue skewers. And then what you need to do with them is ask an adult to poke a hole in the center of each one. Of each pinwheel you made. Oh, you did it. Yeah, like that. If you're old enough to do it yourself, like us, then you can do it. But if you think you need an adult, you have to do it in the center of each one, and then we'll show you what to do next.
Now layer it on top of each other.
And then find the hole. I'm just gonna do it this way, and then do it with this one, and then attach it, and then. Okay, so now you have to cut it about 3 inches. Ask an adult
So
to do
it's
this.
long,
Okay, just put it in and I'll show you. So you're gonna ask an adult to do this, or you can do it yourself. And you stick it back in, and that's where the Play-Doh comes in handy, so it doesn't fall out. You take some Play-Doh, then you gotta stick it in the middle. I took too much.
So you have to roll your Play-Doh into a ball.
And then stick it on the edge of the skewer.
Not all the way down, just leave it at the top like that.
And then when it dries, it will harden so the skewer can't come off. And it will be a pinwheel, but not yet.
It's a windmill.
A windmill. Okay. So now I'm going to show you guys what to do next. You got to stick it.
You're going to take your straw and then take the bendy part
and stick it in.
And stick the skewer
right in
the bendy part.
And then bend it. And then you can glue it or something on the back. And then there's your windmill. I keep getting it mixed up.
And look, I have some marker on my nose, and this is how they turned out.
So if you like this video, guys, please like and subscribe.
And share it and comment down below. how yours turned out and if you have any other ideas of what we can do next.
Bye-bye. See you in the next video.
And mine just fell apart. No! And don't forget, if you don't subscribe, you don't get a cookie.
No cookie.
Now, peace out. We'll just call school group rotten milk for some reason.
Okay, let's
People
start it.
just call rotten milk school glue for some reason, even though it's really rotten milk.
Okay, let's start. Come on.
It just turns out to be.
Do you want to practice?
Hello and welcome back to.
I see arts and crafts.
For this video,
We will-
hello and welcome back to.
Hello and welcome back to I See Arts and Crafts. Today we have a very special
Hey, let's
guest
start it,
joining
let's
us,
go.
and his name is Michael here. You remember him from the
Guys,
video.
stop.
Okay.
He's the rotten milk.